You know, there are those times you are short on time and you still need to put a dinner on the table. Hey friends, I'm Chef Wainaina. Welcome back to my channel, and I got you back with this simple chicken dinner on a budget. This is a straightforward recipe that we are going to use chicken legs and some pantry essentials. So for this recipe, we are going to use these chicken legs. Just open them up. I'll put them on this cutting board. I'll check them if they need to be trimmed of any excess fat, like this one here. Chicken legs are very budget friendly. You can find them in regular supermarkets. They usually pack them in threes. I'll take a paper towel, pat them dry, and then season them with salt and pepper. Notice just how I'm using just one hand to touch the chicken and keep the other hand uncontaminated. We're going to start our chicken dinner by first browning the chicken legs. Add 2 tablespoons of canola oil or whatever vegetable oil that you use. After about 5 minutes searing on high heat, the chicken has acquired very beautiful color. You want to turn it and just brown the other side. After a good 10 minutes, these chicken legs are beautifully browned. Take them out onto a plate. Into this pan, add 1 large white onion diced. And cook it until it's caramelized or just browned. Season the onions with some salt and pepper. Once the onions start browning on the edges, add a tablespoon of minced ginger and garlic. That's a tablespoon of each. And then just saute these to release their flavors. Once the ginger and garlic have sweated slightly, I'm going to add a mix of carrots and peppers. That's about a cup of each. And then just saute these just so slightly. Into the pot, add a teaspoon of dried thyme, a half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, a teaspoon of paprika just for color, about 3 or 4 bay leaves. Season this again slightly with some salt and pepper. Add some cilantro. Now add a small tin of tomato puree. This is canned. You can use fresh tomatoes. Add some water in it and just add it in. Just bring this together slightly. So once the tomato puree have cooked just so slightly, I'm going to add 1 can of kidney beans. This, I just open the can, rinse them through water. What I have here are about 3 cups of frozen corn. This is corn that I bought from Spanish stores. So the corn comes frozen and it's very close to the corn that I will use in Kenya to make Githeri. So this happens to be my hack for a quick weeknight Githeri without going through the whole process of boiling the corn. But if you have access to the dry corn and the dry beans, you can certainly do that. So now add some chicken stock just to cover. Carefully lay the chicken legs right on top. Just for a note, the corn already comes pre-cooked or parboiled, so it doesn't take as long to finish. Add any accumulated juices from the chicken. So this whole pan will go into the oven for about an hour or so. Or alternatively, if you don't have an oven or if you don't want to put it in the oven, just finish it on the stove top. So after removing the dish from the oven, I removed the chicken legs, put them on a sheet pan, and then I put them back in the oven. This is just to make them crispy. That is optional. And then I let these, the corn and the beans or our simple Githeri cook on the pan just to reduce the sauces a little bit, and then you end up with this delicious. So the chicken flavors have been absorbed in here. All is left with this is just to enjoy it. This is a dish that is so perfect served family style. Take some of these chicken legs, put them right on top. And this one, just for presentation. Some scallions right on top. Maybe some cilantro. That Githeri looks so beautiful. Simple and easy to make, just using pantry essentials. So there you have it, my friends, our quick and simple chicken dinner on a budget, a dish that you can do any day of the week using just the ingredients you can readily find in your pantry, or if you don't have them, things that you can grab from the stores, and then they're just quick and easy to make. So thank you so much for watching this one. I hope it's a recipe that you can try and you add onto your menu rotation for quick dinners. Thank you. I will